The SharpShooter 2.1 is loaded with more features than any hopper gun on the market. Let's start from the top. The hopper has a two-piece lid that seals tight, reducing spills, allows short-term mud storage, and when disassembled, makes cleanup easier. The 45-degree adapter changes the gun's angle for more accessible coverage of ceilings and concrete floor overlays. The SharpShooter 2.1 has a soft grip handle and trigger. The material control knob allows the user to dial in the desired amount of texture while still maintaining a full pull on the trigger. The trigger can also be locked to help reduce fatigue on those long jobs. The air inlet features a ball valve to adjust airflow or shut off the air completely, in case adjustments on the gun are needed. Our patented Orifice plate has 7 sizes that are always on board, so there's no tips to lose, allowing you to fine-tune your texture pattern. Order yours today at Marshalltown.com or your local Marshalltown retailer.